Actually, hold on. This will be funnier. Wait a second. I'm gonna keep it recording because I don't know if this thing is charging it. No. Whoa! What the fuck? That's a bomb. Well, that sucks. My iPad's broken. I gotta remove that battery ASAP. I don't know how to take these things apart. That's my only fucking scenario here. Holy shit. That is a fire hazard. I've never seen that happen in my life. What the shit? How am I supposed to... There's no screws anymore. Is it just all adhesive? This screen's gonna crack. I don't know how the adhesive hasn't lifted. Oh, it has. Okay. I'm gonna attempt here. I don't know how I'm gonna open this thing. I'm gonna try to get this cutoff wheel from this iMac removal kit. I'm not sure if this is gonna do anything. It's a concave surface. Last time I saw something like this happen was with a iPhone 3GS. This is not the right way to do it at all, because I'm just removing the glass because it's separated. The thing is, I'm trying to reuse the glass. I don't really want to throw it out because it's perfectly fine, other than the crack on the corner, but for me, I don't really care about that crack. I'm just trying to take it off in one piece and I'll put it back together. Okay. I don't know how this thing comes off. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a digitizer as well. Okay, let me wipe the screen here. I hope it's not so wow, this is a weird video. Oh my god. This is a very complex device. I'm gonna be honest, this is my first time ever doing anything with an iPad. So the screen is absolutely not recoverable anymore. Like, that is...
incredible.
So if I can get it back up and working, I'll be happy. Guessing Philips 000. Again, I'm gonna say it, I'm doing this completely blindly. I have no experience. Okay, cool. Battery comes out over there. Looks like adhesive to take it out, but we need to... I want to take out this digitizer. I'm not sure how this works. I need a pair of tweezers. You too. Possibly one of those. One of those. How does battery come out? For my Habibi! So we essentially have to remove the logic board, which is not ideally what I wanted to do, but I mean, if I can get this battery out, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so now carefully slide a metal spudger. Nah, that sounds smart. We're gonna go healthy dose. Do a nice tap. Oh my lord. You're going in the box. The battery's fully out. Let's clean all this leftover adhesive real quick. That is everything off the case. That little bit of tape will prevent so many problems in the future from getting into that lens, because I do not plan on getting this thing a battery anytime soon. I literally was gonna go make a video on the free PC. I guess next week you guys will see a video on the free PC, but thank you guys for watching, and there will be a follow-up video in the description whenever it's released. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and take it easy.